Meaning of gradually.
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 Gradually. Gradually means that something is happening in a slow and steady manner, with small changes or steps over a period of time. It suggests a gentle or incremental progression rather than sudden or abrupt change. The result of something happening gradually can vary depending on the context, but often it leads to a more stable or sustainable outcome. For example, a fitness routine that is built up gradually over time is more likely to lead to long-term improvement than a sudden, intense workout. Similarly, a company that gradually improves its products or services is more likely to build a loyal customer base over time.